In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to HoneyBook and automatically add meeting links to client bookings. If you want your scheduling process to feel smooth and professional, this setup is incredibly helpful. Once everything is connected properly, your client can book a session through your HoneyBook scheduler, and the Zoom meeting link will be added automatically to the calendar invitation. That means less manual work for you and a much easier experience for your client. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account and make sure your primary calendar is already integrated. HoneyBook works best when it's connected to the calendar you actually use to manage your availability, such as Google Calendar or Outlook. This is important because your scheduler relies on that calendar to avoid conflicts and make sure clients only see times you're truly available. After that, generate a Zoom meeting link for your client project. This helps ensure that the project is set up to support virtual meetings and gives you a clear starting point as you connect everything. If you use Zoom regularly for consultations, onboarding calls, or project meetings, having this in place keeps your workflow organized and consistent. Next, inside HoneyBook, go to your company settings, then open integrations and select Zoom. From there, authorize the connection between HoneyBook and your Zoom account. During this step, you may be asked to sign in to Zoom and approve permissions. That's normal, and it allows HoneyBook to create and attach Zoom meeting links on your behalf. Just make sure you complete the authorization fully so the integration works correctly. Once Zoom is connected, go to your HoneyBook scheduler and update the session location to Zoom. This step is what tells HoneyBook that scheduled meetings should take place virtually through Zoom, rather than by phone, in person, or another custom location. It's a small setting, but it makes all the difference in automation. Finally, send your scheduling link to your client. When your client chooses a time and books the session, the Zoom meeting link will automatically be attached to the calendar invite. That means both you and your client receive the meeting details without needing to create or send the link manually. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to test the workflow yourself so you can confirm the calendar connection, Zoom authorization, and scheduler settings are all working as expected. Once that's done, you'll have a simple, reliable booking process that saves time and helps your client experience feel polished from the very beginning.